Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies on Toca Boca, updated. Tap the kitchen to begin and choose your cookie base, then add flour, sugar, and butter in any order you like. Use the mixer tool to blend ingredients smoothly and shape dough with the rolling pin. Decorate with toppings, bake until golden, and serve to characters to see reactions and unlock playful animations. Choose the right mixing method to get consistent dough. Small changes make big differences in texture. Press the mixer until ingredients are evenly combined, then shape dough into rounds or cutouts. Place cookies on a tray and set oven controls for time and temperature, checking periodically. When edges turn slightly golden, remove and let cool briefly before decorating and serving to characters for instant feedback and fun animations. After cooling, use icing tools to pipe lines, dots, and shapes with steady strokes for clean designs. Mix colors for gradients and add sprinkles or candies for texture contrast that pops on screen. Experiment with layering icings and letting each layer set briefly to avoid smudging. Save your best creations to repeat later or show friends, and try new combos to discover fun reactions from characters and unlock playful surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.